Hello everybody. In this video I'll give you a quick update for the technical analysis of Euro Pound. Guys, yesterday even in the daily time frame there is a pin bar formed because the trend has reached the support. This is the support. This support is a weekly support. It has tested twice. When you zoom inside that area, anyway, we will go straight to the point. But guys, we have to be very conservative because I think the trend will reach only this much. Because this is a powerful downtrend according to the monthly time frame. Now it is encountering above as a retracement. So this buy position should be very conservative, should be up to this point only. Maybe it might go more above as a kind of a dip up, but I think the candle will close here. Candles of 1 hour or 4 hour, maybe it might close here at this area. So guys, that is much about the Euro Pound. Remember I told you the daily at this area pin bar has formed, signals that this trend is encountering this way. Okay, now a quick update. Pound dollar 1 hour. Guys, you should not remember or should not forget that this is a powerful uptrend according to the one day time frame. Now guys, this trend since yesterday it has reached this supply zone. That's why it bounced back down. So it will bounce till these areas of support. Maybe it will dip down, but it will close not more than this area. So pound dollar we can sell guys now. Whenever it dips a little more above, it does some small resistance, sell. This is the target area. Similarly in pound yen too. Guys, please refer my last video. There you will get the whole picture in the monthly time frame, weekly time frame. Anyway guys, pound yen 1 hour, you have seen it has reached the supply zone, which is this one. You can use other indicator to identify yourself. Anyway, this trend will move down till here. Be very conservative. Take your profit not more than this area because this is support zone. It might dip down, but this is a powerful uptrend according to monthly. You have to be very much conservative to be here. But mind you guys, you have to remember to buy whenever you get a signal in future. Maybe tomorrow, yes, tomorrow, you know guys. Maybe today, okay. So this is the buy position another. But we have to wait for a signal. Yes, without signal, maybe this trend will move up to this area. Might not know. Similarly, that will happen in pound dollar also. You will have to never trust the chart. Anyway, this is much for today. Happy trading, guys.